The topic for today will be insecurities. I'm trying something new, so do not flame me. Nung nasa Pilipinas pa ako, ang dami nagsasabi sa akin na parang sobrang itim ko daw, tapos parang kailangan ko daw maligo kasi mukha na daw madumi. Bata ako, lagi ako nagsiswimming, so malamang babad sa araw. So I was a little tan before. And honestly, it made me feel so self-conscious of my own skin tone. Pero it kind of changed when I moved here in the US. People here having tan skin is the beauty standard. And a lot of people are jealous of my skin tone. Nangiba talaga ako kasi nung sa Pilipinas, 'di ba, parang lagi ako na papagtawanan or parang napapagsabihin na ang itim ko na. Pero dito, they would rather have my skin tone. And some people can even go as far as going to tanning salons or even buying fake tan. No shame in that though. Wala naman akong sinasabi na masama yun. Pero nagulat lang ako kasi dito parang kakaiba talaga yung trato sa'yo. And it kind of gave me a confidence boost because it finally felt like I wasn't uncomfortable with my own skin tone. Nung bata ako, medyo malaki yung hita ko nun dati and I was on the chubbier side. So sobrang conscious talaga ako dun sa weight ko dati. When I was a kid, a lot of people were telling me na mataba na daw ako, na parang ano daw kinakain ko, ba't ganun daw ako kataba. Hanggang ngayon medyo self-conscious pa rin ako sa weight ko, pero it kinda died down nung nag-move ako dito sa US. Again, I don't know if it's exactly like this still in the Philippines, pero dito kasi sa US, parang having tiktaas is seen as attractive, I guess, hindi ko sure, but not a lot of people ridicule me for it. Honestly, people here never mention anything about my weight. Pero the moment na pumunta ako sa Filipino gathering, the first thing I'll ever hear is, "Uy, ang taba-taba mo na," or "Ang itim-itim mo na." I don't know kung ganito lahat, pero yung nararanasan ko recently. It's really hard to stay confident kung yung sarili mo ng pamilya nagsasabi nun sa'yo. Very first thing I heard nung pumunta ako sa Pilipinas last year, yung lola ko sinabihan ako na, "Uy, Ching, parang nangingitim ka na." Maybe I shouldn't think of it too much, pero natatandaan ko lang kasi yung dati kong sarili na I would cry whenever somebody mentions anything about my weight or my skin tone. And honestly, I'd rather not go back to that time. But at least right now, it's not that bad. Like, I embrace my skin tone. I don't really think about my weight too much anymore. And I've been happier, which is fun. I'm living my life. I don't know. But thank you for listening to my rant for today.